So I'm going to show you what I did with my Rialta three-way refrigerator. So it just simply wouldn't light. So I took the screws out. Once you take the screws out of the front here, this does move forward. You do have to pull out these input and output exhaust tubes. Just pull them. You have to take out a screw and be careful not to lose the washer, but you have to pull them just straight out. They're a press fit, and then you can force the refrigerator out. Now when you get in here, there's the burner box, which seems to be completely sealed with these rusted bolts, so I didn't want to do that. But my problem was that inside of here, there's a burner, and you can see that in there, those 4 little slots. Well, those were all just completely covered with rust. So I'm figuring that just got blocked, and that was the problem. So I cleaned it out. I used like a small bristle brush here to go in there, and I also used a small screwdriver to just kind of get the guck out. And in order to access that hole, I had to take out the rubber grommet and the viewing window here. But once I did that, that's how I got in, so I didn't have to take this apart.